Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever you're tuning in from around the globe, peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the Trillion Dollar Ticker broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Riches. It is the weekend, so you know what we're doing. Charting. Next up, we got AVGO, big name in the semiconductor system. The stock was down 30% just 2 weeks ago, but this past week, incredible, up 18%. All right, let's get to the chart, y'all. We're going to keep this less than 10 minutes per episode. All right, here we go. This is you see this 18% candle? Man, oh man. Incredible, y'all. Incredible. All right, let's put this all-time high up here. All right. Let's look. Where do we have bid price reaction? There we go. Let's roll that up. They sold off right here. Okay, we got this spike right here. There we go. Looks like it's over that, so that's still very bullish. Okay, we can go to the daily after that. There's like a lot of chop up in here. But I definitely don't see us pulling back like that. I'm going to just put one under here. There we go. Let's find something above here. Above our weekly. There we go. What's this looking like? Oh yeah, that's a $5 move from there to there. So. But sometimes you gotta stretch it out so you can see it. Yeah. We got this up here. That's a big gap though. That's $14. I have to go to a smaller time frame to get another level up in there. Here we go. You ain't really got much. That thing ran through here. There we go. Look like it can run. Once you break that 389.40, that thing can run, boy. Alright, that's what we got. Well, let me get you something up in here, just in case. Just in case this thing pulled back. You got this spike right here. Like that, and then we can go right there too. Alright, that's what we got, folks. This thing is moving so much, I don't really like putting levels that close to each other. Fuck it. Excuse me. Alright, that's what we got, folks. See this double gap up? Put these gaps on here too. There we go. All right, levels. AVGO current price 371.55 to the downside support. It is very close to this level, but it is what it is. 369.60 followed by 364.10, 359.90, 356.70. To the upside resistance, we got high day, which is going to be 376.55 followed by 380.60, 386, and 389.40. That's what we got. Those are our levels for AVGO. Let's check out the SMAs. This is the 20, the 50, and the 200. So it's way above that. So it's very bullish right now. So don't worry about the SMAs. Let's check out the smart money concepts. So we don't have any smart money concepts resistance zones until we get back to 400, 399.65. All right, let's check out the algo. The algo, they gave us a buy here. So this is the second entry. The second entry is 371.55. So that's where it's at right now. So the beginning of this next signal will be at the open on Monday. This will be the stop loss, 360.82. This will be the target, 382.28, followed by 393 and 403. All right, that's what we got for AVGO. Next up, we got Berkshire B and Walmart. Thanks for tuning in. Set those alerts. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.